the discount should be borne by the TNVS driver.
Nasa batas po ba yon?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Not remember any provision in the law of RA 9994 that says that the discounts for senior citizens shall be borne by the driver. Wala po nakastipulate na gano'n.
It's an MC by LTFRB.
It is what?
Sir, MC, sir.
So hindi batas.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I
Okay,
apologize.
sinabi mo kanina batas eh.
Yes, sir. Sir, I apologize for that. So it
So
is
memorandum circular lang yan. Hindi
Correct,
batas yan na pwedeng baguhin yan.
Yes, sir. Sir, I apologize. So it
Yari ka ngayon. Sige. Oh, loyal ka pa man din.
Yung pong 50-50 kasi, nung huling hearing natin, Mr. Chair, di ba, tatandaan nyo,
Yes.
ipinababalik na natin yung kinuha nila na 20%, nangako sila na ibabalik. Ang grupo ko po, laban TNBS at saka ibang TNCs group namin sa National Public Transport Coalition, hindi nyo pa po binabalik, ma'am. Let's say here, totoo. Kasi tinanong ko kayo how many times hindi nyo pa po binabalik yung pinababalik ni Mr. Chair na kinulekta na 20% sa mga buntis estudyante at PWDs, senior citizen. So, bigyan niyo po kami ng record, Mr. Chair. Pakikuha niyo po yung record sa kanila kung naibalik na yung pinangako nila sa inyo sa hearing natin. Wala pa rin po, Mr. Chair.
Grab, would you like to answer that?
yes, Mr. Chair, as far as I know, the dispositive portion of the LTFRB did not order any return. It was a prospective application po.
Okay.
But I will check with our legal din po, but this is
I thought it was agreed upon. I remember now. During that hearing, you did agree na yes, the 20% would be refunded to the riders. Hindi nyo pala sinunod, so you're just waiting a memorandum coming from the LTFRB?
We actually appealed it. If I'm not, as far as I recall, Mr. Chair, we actually appealed this because
Wait
our
a minute.
basis.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
Sorry, you appealed it. I thought you already agreed na ibabalik nyo yung 20%. It was agreed upon during that hearing. And then, nag-agree ka pala, pagtalikod, ate ko na, i-appeal namin.
Mr. Chair, I apologize. I wasn't here during the hearing, but I will check po. But I believe po, because when our legal team reviewed it, basis the RA for senior citizens po, there is no basis in law po. Because the law actually states that the discount should be borne by the TNVS driver.
Nasa batas po ba yon?
Correct, Mr. Chair. That's the reading po of our legal team.
Okay. So sa senior citizen,
And the PWD also po. And there were some guidelines at the time coming from the LTFRB that it's borne po by the drivers po for the discounts, not TNC. So Grab was shouldering this po, Mr. Chair, despite what the law said until 2023. In 2023, it became too much for the company given the proliferation of the PWD discounts. Senior citizens po, no problem, but the proliferation of PWD. So we asked the drivers, can we now share the burden? And then eventually move to a 100% borne by the drivers only in June of 2024 po, or thereabouts, Mr. Chair. But if you look at the law po, there's actually no basis. That's why po we were asking LTFRB about it.
okay, LTFRB, what's your opinion on that matter? Na yung discounts at PWD at saka sa senior citizen ay born doon sa mga riders. At totoo ba nasa batas yun? I haven't seen that.
Mr. Chair,
Is there a law
yung pong
that says na dapat rider ang magso-shoulder ng amount?
well, I need to review, Mr. Chair, but kung titignan lang po natin sa ibang denomination, Mr. Chair, ang nagbo-born po, ang nagso-shoulder nga po nung discount, for instance sa jeep, is yung jeepney driver na
Teka muna, pag sa jeepney driver,
lalo na po, Mr. Chair, kung boundary system siya eh. Kung boundary po, hindi naman po niya ibabawas doon sa operator po niya yung kanya pong boundary sa mga discount.
okay, that's boundary system. So,
Kung Kung employee naman po, kung employer-employee naman po siya, then it is shouldered now by the company kasi
Right.
yung i-report niya is bawas na po dun yung mga discount.
But I'm interested doon sa sinasabi ng Grab na nasa batas daw. Show it to me. Because I haven't seen it. My legis team hasn't seen it.
Wala sigurong specific.
Unless nag-invento lang to si Grab.
Ah,
Show me,
sir,
show me. What?
Yes, sir. Sir, we're
Anong batas yun?
asking for the provision po
No,
of
no,
the
no, ma'am,
senior
ma'am. You
citizen.
did mention about the law. When you mention, are you a lawyer?
Yes, sir.
Oh, then since you're a lawyer, dapat alam mo kung anong batas yun.
Yes, sir.
Then tell us. Tell me now.
Yes, Senior Citizens Act, sir. Sir, I'm just getting the exact provision po.
Senior Citizens Act and then PWD's Act also. Nandun, nasabi dapat yung rider.
Sir, for the
Okay.
senior citizens, yes. Sir, sa PWD, sir, we're looking at the provision, sir. Based on the study of our legal team, Mr.
Pero dapat
Chair.
memorize nyo na yun. Alam nyo, pag-usapan
sir.
natin yan. Sige, pakibanggit sa Senior Citizens Act. Sige nga. Para malaman din ni Mr. Lim, kasi si Mr. Lim ang nag-raise ng issue na yan. Isa sa mga nag-raise ng issue. We're interested. Even the LTFRB doesn't know. Okay? Banggitin nyo ngayon na.
Yes, sir. Sir, if you could give us a few minutes lang, hinahanap lang, sir, Mr. Chair.
Sige.
Mr. Chair, pwede lang
Sen Jamie.
also in this yung ko lang doon, so again, it's the drivers who shoulder yung pong discount ng seniors, no? And PWDs. Tama ho ba?
Well, if they're
That's
the
what you said,
reading po, yes. Mr.
Ang lang doon, danger, Mr. Chair, I have received information. Madalas daw pag yung buntis o kaya PWD or senior, nagka-cancel daw ho, minsan o madalas yung mga drivers kasi nga ho, siguro dahil sila ang shoulder, maghahanap pipili na sila ibang pasahero. Does this happen? Have you heard any information about this?
Unfortunately, Mr. Chair, there are incidents po, but
Yes.
we
Yeah.
do penalize it, the driver po. We try to remind the drivers that it's the obligation po to provide these discounts because these are legally mandated discounts under the law po.
Kasi yun po ang mas kailangan talaga ng ride, no? Seniors, PWDs, yung buntis. And we have received information, tsaka iba complaint din, minsan sa mga public service program na nagka-cancel pag namimili ang drivers. And sana nga po ay talagang they will be penalized because I think yung giving of the franchise includes na rin, hindi lang to negosyo, kasama na rin yung public service dito. 'Di ba? They should, kawawa naman we should also look at the plight of the seniors and the PWDs, no? Marami kami na-receive na information and it's really good kung talagang nape-penalize you and you are briefing your drivers or riders about this issue.
May I be recognized po, Mr. Chair?
And what's your name and you're from what company?
I am from the National Commission for Senior Citizens.
Go ahead, Ma'am Kalapit. Very good. Thank you.
I cannot remember any provision in the law of RA 9994 that says that the discounts for senior citizens shall be borne by the driver. Wala po nakastipulate na ganon.
Oh,
Thank you po.
Glap. Yari ka ngayon. Sige. Loyal ka pa man din. Kaya nga nagulat kami, nabulagan nyo kami, maging LTFRB, doesn't know. Na yung pinagsasabi mo, maging team ko, legis team ko. Ayan, meron ng isa pa. Si Miss Kalapit.
Sir, so this is sir, it's an MC by LTFRB.
It is what?
Sir, MC, sir.
So, hindi batas.
Sir, yes, sir. Sir, I
Okay,
apologize.
sinabi mo kanina batas eh.
Yes, sir. Sir, I apologize for that. So it's an MC 2018-004 of the LTFRB. The title
So
is
memorandum circular lang yan. Hindi
correct, sir.
batas yan na pwedeng baguhin yan.
Yes, sir. Sir, I apologize. So it says 20% discount for PWDs pursuant to RA 119
Oh.
754. So, sir, it says, hence in compliance with the above cited law and consistent with Section 5K and 1 of Executive Order number 202, the board hereby directs all public utility operators and drivers to grant 20% fare discounts to persons with disabilities, PWD, who avail of their services under the following guidelines. So, sir, that's what we were asking the LTFRB, given that it was
Okay.
initially the discounts were borne by the drivers. So that's why we were
Okay,
appealing the decision.
ma'am, okay lang yung sa jeepney drivers kasi boundary system sila eh. Wala ako nakikitang problema doon. Kasi come what may, dapat meron silang imimit talaga na pera na i-endorso nila doon sa operator nila at certain amounts na dapat na endorso doon sa operator at yung natitira kita nila yon. Wala tayong pero yung sa inyo employee-employees relationship yan. So LTFRB, anong reaction niyo sa sinabi kanina ni Grab?
Mr. Chair, yung 2018 po na binanggit po ng Grab, na-amend na po. Nag-issue po ang LTFRB nung March 19, 2025. I
Hmm.
think this was after
Hearing.
these issues was raised, Mr. Chair. So ang nilagay na po dito, Mr. Chair, yung 20% shall be the TNVS operator and the TNC will equally share 50-50 the mandated fare discounts. The fare discounts mandated by law and other regulations shall not be passed on by the TNC and the TNVS operator to the TNVS driver unless the TNVS operator is also the driver of the vehicle. So I think, Mr. Chair,
Oh, maliwanag.
para po maresolba kasi marami po tayong klase. Meron nga po talagang TNVS na sa kanya po siya na po yung operator, siya rin yung driver.
Yes.
So basic kung ganun po, hati po talaga sila nung TNC. Pero similar po sa jeep, kung boundary naman po yung TNVS rider, tapos meron siyang operator. Ang nilagay naman po natin dito ay dapat po sa TNC tsaka si operator niya ang mag-shoulder nung discount, hindi po si driver.
Okay. So Grab, maliwanag. So ba't ka pa mag-apela? Nakita mo ba yung bagong MC series of 2025, March 2025, right?
Yes, Mr. Chair. -10, 2025-10.
Yes, Mr. Chair, what we were appealing is for the past. What the charges that we were seeing from 2024, June 2024, because that's the only time we started charging the driver until the March 2025 resolution.
Okay.
We are not appealing for what we've shouldered previous to June of 2024. I think that was the point of Mr. Lim. He was saying that we should reimburse from the June 2024 until the March 2025. And that's what the only portion, Mr. Chair, that we were appealing. Because as I've said, based on our legal assessment, there is no basis to reimburse.
All right. So moving forward. So kayo na mag-shoulder Grab, hindi na yung mga
the operators po. We share with the operator, driver, not the driver, sir. The operator po of the
Hindi, meron naman
TNBS.
Yes. Otherwise, mas kayo dapat ang mag-shoulder.
Yes. So we shoulder 60%, Mr. Chair.
60%.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Bato. I'm just looking at the complaints dun sa mga comment section namin, ano.
Mr. Chair, isa lang po, importante po
Go
ito
ahead,
sa
Mr.
ano
Lim.
natin, ginagawa natin batas. Mr. Chair, hindi po ako lawyer, no? Pero pinag-aralan ko yung tungkol dito sa tungkol sa mga pamasahe as a organization. Mr. Chair, mukha po kasing may mali doon pa lang sa paglalagay ng pamasahe sa TNCs. Para pong mali, parang hindi dumadaan sa gobyerno. Mayroon po, alam po yan ni Mr. Nandyan, Greg Pua. Nung nag-complain ako, meron po sila dyan na letter ako na mayroong inano ng lawyer na supposed to be po dahil maraming apektado at maraming nagbabayad, dapat estado ang gumagawa ng pamasahe. Dito po kasi, ang gumagawa ng pamasahe sa TNCs, sila-sila, kayo. Hindi namin alam paano nyo sinabi na ito dapat ang pamasahe. So, medyo kailangan po pag-aralan dahil may alam ko po sa Supreme Court ruling Garcia case na binasa ko po yan. Kailangan po yata LTFRB ang gumawa o galing po sa gobyerno. Hindi po dapat ang gumagawa yung mga companies na TNCs para po maayos na natin itong batas na to sa pagbubuo natin ng batas tungkol dito, Mr. Chair. Pero hindi po masamantala. Kasi sila po ang nagsasabi, kaya pati yung mga SARDs natin lumaki ng lumaki eh. Hindi po LTFRB ang nagsasabi niyan. Dapat po, tingin ko, dapat po estado dahil marami pong apektado. Halos daan-daang libong pasahero po. Dapat po ang estado ang gumagawa ng pamasahe o nag-aaral ng pamasahe para yun po ang ilagay nila doon sa mga pasahero natin, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Hindi po ako lawyer pero alam ko, nabanggit ko po yun ng lawyer ko sa akin nung chinek namin yan eh. Maraming salamat po, Mr. Chair.
Siguro, Mr. Lim, dahil sa dami mo experience, parang lawyer ka na rin. The way you speak, yeah, based on your experience, you know a lot. Kumbaga, you're street smart. Okay?